If you've been struggling for great results online, it pretty much comes down to just two things: traffic and monetizing that traffic as quickly and efficiently as possible. The good news is now there's a software and system that automates both, and the results from both beginners and experts are mind-blowing. So if you'd like to know how to turn $5 into $200 over and over, you're in the right place at the right time. Hey, I'm Demetrius, and I've been a full-time digital marketer since 2012. My business partner Alex and I started using YouTube ads a few years now because we realized that almost 50.9% of B2B decision makers use YouTube to research purchases. That makes it the most used social platform for this purpose, outranking even Facebook and LinkedIn. If you're marketing to other businesses, you can reach top decision makers on YouTube because 70% of viewers bought a product from a brand after seeing it on YouTube. And YouTube is a place where you can turn penny clicks into buyer leads and commissions very easily without even creating any videos. Yes, that's right. Zero video creation is needed to make this work. We've managed to automate that old manual process of finding high converting ClickBank affiliate offers or even e-com products that are running right now on YouTube ads, where you now also have the chance of tapping into this money-making platform yourself. We developed a revolutionary push-button spy software that eliminates guesswork and reveals to you winning ad campaigns you can use yourself in less than 60 seconds. The TubeMatic app does what nothing else does. It spies on your competition in any niche, then delivers you the exact ads, offers, landing pages, banners, campaigns, and keywords that are already converting for your immediate competition in any niche. So within minutes, you can have your own lucrative, done-for-you campaigns running for massive ROI. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner. First-time users have been making profits in as little as 24 hours. This is also perfect if you're an experienced marketer looking to scale or open up additional income streams. Let me show you how easy the software makes generating traffic, leads, and commissions from absolute scratch. First, we're going to find an offer we want to promote. So let's use ClickBank as an example. So if I click on the magnifying glass, I'll be able to find the top 10 products on here. So for example, if I wanted to promote something like called Java Burn, I would head over and I'll enter in the keywords, click on find, and this is going to pull ads that are running right now that I can get information from. Now, these ads you'll be able to generate and see how many views and the most popular video that you can use also to promote on, so you don't have to create, but you also get details from this channel on how many more ads they're running on what other products, but also the actual landers of the products that they're promoting. So this is an advertorial page that we found that they're promoting a ClickBank offer that we can go out and replicate. And this is Java Burn for ClickBank. So this way, we are uncovered our winning ads that are running right now for this specific channel. You'll be able to see what other ads they're running with other products that they might be promoting. You can see the ad copy plus all the details about the ad and how it looks. You also get ad placements where you'll be able to find channels that are running the actual product on their channels. So you can get in front of channels and videos when you're creating your ads. You can basically choose all, and this is going to save you time and effort in entering it in your campaigns and being in front of buyers and following our training inside TubeMatic. Isn't that awesome? You too can have multiple income streams from multiple affiliate and CPA platforms. Our included step-by-step training and our secret 3-step blueprint formula makes it easy and fun. There's nothing technical to learn or figure out. The software automates 99% of the process, and we walk you through the rest by even giving you access to high-converting done-for-you templates you can use for yourself. Below this video, you'll see personal results from using TubeMatic for one of our campaigns, which has been proven for months for our own affiliate businesses. If it's working for us, then it can work for you. Right now, you get a lifetime access for a single one-time fee, but you must hurry because soon the price will jump to a monthly subscription. You're also getting several profit-boosting bonuses included with your license. We're so confident you'll love TubeMatic that you're covered by our no questions asked money back guarantee. Test drive it yourself for 30 days, and if you don't love it, your money back. It's that simple. If you're ready for a real traffic solution that gets you in front of real buyers and one that lets you earn passive commissions and build your list at the same time, that's backed by proven results and the best support in the business, then grab your license now while this one-time special price lasts. Please scroll down now for your instant access to TubeMatic. Thank you, and see you inside.